Are you looking to make money online? The Amazon Associate Program is a smart way to earn cash. It's simple, effective, and perfect for everyone. Let's dive into 10 powerful strategies you can use today. First, let's understand the Amazon Associate Program. It's an affiliate marketing program. You promote Amazon products and earn commissions. When someone buys through your link, you receive a percentage. Now, let's go over the 10 ways to maximize your earnings. Start with creating a blog. Write quality content around products you love. This draws readers to your blog. Include your affiliate links within the articles. Next, tap into social media. Platforms like Instagram or Facebook can help. Share engaging posts that link back to products. Influential recommendations build trust and drive traffic. Third, consider email marketing. Build an email list of subscribers. Send them newsletters featuring product suggestions. Include your affiliate links, making it easy for them to shop. Fourth, utilize YouTube. Create product review videos. Review gadgets, home goods, or books. Include your affiliate link in the video description. Another way is through Pinterest. Create eye-catching pins linked to your blog. Direct traffic toward your detailed posts. Use relevant keywords to boost visibility. Next, join niche websites or forums. Share your expertise and solutions. Include your affiliate links subtly in conversations. Seventh, consider making comparisons. Compare similar products in a blog post. Help readers find the best choice. This builds credibility and encourages clicks. Eighth, leverage seasonal buying trends. Create content around holidays and events. Stocking stuffers, summer essentials, or back-to-school items are great options. Ninth, optimize your content for SEO. Use keyword research for ranking higher. Higher visibility means more traffic and potential sales. Finally, keep track of your performance. Use analytics to see which strategies work best. Adjust your approach as needed for better results. To summarize, the Amazon Associate Program offers unique opportunities. Create a blog or leverage social media. Use email marketing and video content. Share your knowledge on niche forums. Focus on comparisons and seasonal trends. Always optimize for SEO and track your performance. Ready to start? Sign up for the Amazon Associate Program. Explore ideas you'll love and begin your journey to earning money today.